Hi everybody. This is the fourth time I've done this video. It's just kind of gone wrong every time. So, the setup. I have two green cones, and if you look at the distance apart, they are about my feet apart. Then I have a blue cone, a red cone, which will eventually be a defender when we're working on the blue cones, and then another blue cone. If I step up, they are, and I say they, the blue cones are about my stride side to side apart, and there's the red cone. Okay, so we're going to do 1 minute intervals. I'm going to try and demo some of the stuff from above and from a side shot as well. So the first one is going to be what is referred to as the box, and it's basically making 1 foot touch the ball 3 times. So it won't be evident on the first one. So you're going to pull back, push it across, push it forward, there's 1. You're going to step on it, that's 2. You're going to push it across, that's 3. So touch, pull back, touch, touch, pull back, touch, across, touch, pull back, touch, across, touch forward, pull back, touch across, touch forward, touch back, and so forth. So let me demo it from the ground. All right. Okay. So pull, bring it across, bring it across, bring it across, bring it across. And if you have to throw in an extra touch to get the ball across the way, not a problem. Okay. Next one is a box with a bell. And what that means is we're going to pull it back. We're going to pull it back, bring it across, bell, push it forward. Pull it back, bell, push it forward. Bell, push it forward. Bell, and push it forward. Okay, now demo from the side angle. Okay, now we're going to juggle for 1 minute, and when you're juggling, hands can't touch the ball, so we're trying to pull the ball up from the ground. And if you struggle with doing that and all you work on is pulling the ball up from the ground, that's fine, not an issue, it's all part of juggling. Side angle, you get the ball ahead of your plant foot and you roll back and lift, and you have to kick your heel up for a second to be able to scoop the ball, okay? Now, the next piece is on the blue cones. It's right foot figure 8 and left foot figure 8, each for 1 minute. Good stance, just dribbling around. Make sure your elbows are bent, knees are bent, hips are bent. Forcing yourself into that low stance. Okay, working on the inside and the outside of the feet. And you'll notice that the green cones dealt with the sole, the bottom predominantly. A lot of bottom of the footwork there. We do that for a minute, then we switch over to our left foot. Again, knees bent, elbows bent. Okay. All right, now we're going to juggle for 1 minute on that, or after that I mean, and then we're going to do figure 8s with rollies, but only 1 foot at a time. So here's my defender. I'm going to make the rollie here. Each time in between the blue and the red cones I do my rollie. So I'm on my right foot, I'm going to do a big toe rollie. Okay, working it our way around, and a little toe rolly. And when I call it a little toe rolly is because it's really that part of the foot that's making contact with the ball first. So little toe, and here comes the big toe. And here's the little toe, and then we would repeat that with the other foot. So I'll get the angle where you can see it from the side. Okay. There we go. So, big toe, keeping that ball under control. Little toe. Lots of little touches. Good knees bent, good elbows bent. Only the one foot touching the ball. My left foot just hit it inadvertently, but don't intentionally get the other foot into it. Now you will have to switch feet after a minute. So big toe rolly left foot, little toe rolly left foot, big toe rolly. Really feel the ball on the bottom of the foot. Okay. After that, we're going to juggle a minute. And then we're going to do a thing called ripping through. So we're back to the green cones. It's a 2-foot drill. What I mean by that is both feet are active in this, making contact on the ball. So we have our gap, and we're going to rip through that. Now we're going to rip through it with the foot that's in the middle of the cones. So I rip through, I touch, I push it forward. My right foot will rip through, I'll touch it, push it forward. Left foot rip through, touch it, push it forward. Rip through, touch, push 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 forward. And my comment here is that what's happening is that blue cone is becoming the defender. You recognize that there's a defender on. Oh, now I gotta pull it away from pressure. I'm ripping through and getting away. I'm ripping through and getting away. So a demo from the ground. How's that? Okay. Rip through, touch, touch. 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 So we rip through, we touch twice, and get that ball into that position. So one touch, get it control. The other touch is push the ball into that space, ready for us to rip through. Now we'll juggle a minute, and we'll repeat that process.